So, guys, if you are interested in doing a master's in the UK under a fully funded scholarship, then I have good news for you. The Chevening Scholarship, which is a scholarship program funded by the UK government, is currently ongoing. So, the eligibility criteria for this particular scholarship is that you must be a citizen of a Chevening eligible country. You must commit to returning to your home country for at least 2 years after completing the scholarship. Then you need a minimum of 2 years of work experience. Then you also need to have an undergraduate degree that qualifies you for a UK's Master Scholarship Program. You must receive an admission in a UK university for you to be eligible for this. So the deadline for this scholarship is November 5th, 2024. So I'm going to be giving you guys the step-by-step instructions on how to apply for this particular scholarship. So the first thing you do is to visit this site, eichmannagency.com. So when you get to the home page, you click on scholarships, then it takes you to the Chevening scholarship. So you click on the Chevening scholarship, you'll see the eligibility criteria and the benefits and everything you need. So for you to apply, you have to click on this link. So it takes you to a new home page where you see this, you accept. So you are asked your country or territory. So you put in let's say Nigeria. I'm assuming most people watching are from Nigeria. So you select the award you want, scholarship, and then you search. So after some time, it brings out this for you. This is open until the 5th of November 2024, so you have few months to till deadline. So we just click on before we click on apply now, I think it's important for us to see the required documents and selection updates and timelines, but I'm guessing you have more time to read about this. So let's just click on the apply now to try and make the video shorter. So when we click on that, it pulls up a new page for us. So you still have to choose the country or territory you're applying for. So because the Chevening, it runs, there are some countries that are eligible to, there are some countries that are in partnership, so they have this particular program. So you put in Nigeria again. So when you do that, it brings this out for you. You see the Chevening Oxford Center for Islamic Studies, but that's not the one we are selecting. We are selecting this fully funded scholarship for a 1-year master's degree. So the master's degree here is just for 12 months. So we click on it and then select continue. So you register for an account. I already did this and I put my email address and my phone number and stuff. So it took me to this, it gave me a link it sent a link to my email address, so a verification link. So I clicked that link and then it brought me to okay. So I already completed this step. So when you click on the application portal, it brings this out for you, an access code, and it already gave me an access code. So I'll be entering these numbers here. I'll be entering the alphabet. Okay, yeah. So you now click on continue to application. So it brings this up for you. The application for the Chevening Scholarship 2025-26. So you have here your personal details. So whichever one you click, you have to fill it. So this is just self-explanatory. You just have to put in your first name, your last name, and state, and the important things there. And when you are done with it, you click on save. If you let's say you stop halfway, you can just click on save progress, but if you finish everything, you can click on save and complete, and then you can go to the other ones. So let's just say return to overview. So here you have the citizenship and travel documents, the higher education history, work history. So these are actually things that are needed, that are required for you to be eligible for this scholarship. So for the referee, I think you have to Okay, you just have to send the letter to your or get a letter from a referee, someone who already knows you, your work, the way you operate. I mean, it's always advice you give this to someone you are in very good relationship with, so the person can write good things about you, and then you can attach those things here. And when you do that, I think yeah, so it's just very self-explanatory. You put in these stuffs, but then it's also important you know that you have to get an admission, an unconditional offer to study in the UK, so that the problem is now the money. So this scholarship will take care of that money for you. So and I must say it's really not that difficult getting an admission or unconditional admission in the UK. I mean, I got it several times. Even when I wasn't going, I was just applying and I was getting it. So it's really not that difficult. So once you can get that, so it's part of what you need, so you can, because once this money comes through, of course they are not going to give it to you, so they will give it to the university, the school. So that's very important thing for you to note. So yeah, this is just a very important stuff for those who are interested in studying in the UK under a fully funded scholarship. But then you have to note that the one of the conditions for this scholarship is that after you graduate, you can't remain in the UK for a minimum of 2 years. So you have to leave. So if you are okay with that particular condition, then of course you can go ahead and apply. But if you are not, then probably this scholarship is not for you, because when they say you have to leave, you have to leave regardless of whatever of what happens. You just have to leave. So that's an important scholarship I wanted to bring to your attention. And yeah, and I really hope you make the move, because the most I can do is just to show you the scholarship, but I need you to apply. I need you to send out your application. Don't just think of the problems you think of, or maybe you are not competitive enough, or you can't keep thinking that. Just apply, send in your application, and if it doesn't work, all well and good, you can try another one. But then if you don't apply, you have 0% chance of getting it. But if you do apply, at least even if it's a 10%, 20% chance, it's still something. So guys, I sincerely hope you enjoyed that video. Please, if you did, give us a like, a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I mean, it's just a way of encouraging us and helping us to create more content like this. So, and also, if you need to stay updated on scholarship opportunities around the world, latest scholarship opportunities, then you have to check out this website, icemanagency.com. So we keep updating the website with the latest scholarship offers. So till I see you next time, be cool. Bye.